How to add music to Instagram Story Android. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add music to Instagram Story Android. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Here, tap on the plus icon right next to your story. Now select a picture or video from your gallery, or you can also record a new one. Now, you need to tap on this sticker icon. Here, select the music. Now choose a song which you want to add. After a few seconds, your music will be added to your story. Now hit done. After that, tap on this arrow icon. Your story will be posted. Now let's play the story to see what it looks like. So this is how we can add music to Instagram Story. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.